Welcome to Runpaq Channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to our revolutionary battery-powered magnetic meter. Let's talk about how it works. When a conductive fluid flows through the magnetic field generated by the meter, it induces a voltage proportional to the flow velocity. Our advanced sensor then accurately measures this voltage, and the transmitter processes the data to provide highly accurate flow readings. One of the amazing features of our magnetic meter is that it has no pressure loss. This means that the flow of the fluid is not impeded in any way, ensuring that your industrial processes run smoothly. Also, it's trouble-free and maintenance-free, saving you both time and money. Plus, it has a perfect anti-interference performance, so you don't have to worry about external factors affecting the accuracy of the readings. We understand the importance of seamless communication in industrial settings. That's why our magnetic meter offers multiple communication protocols interfaces. Thanks for watching.